In today's video, let me show you how to open a VPBank online banking account. Now, in order to do this, make sure you download the application of a VPBank onto your device first of all. Once the application has been downloaded, simply open up the app, and right here you should be able to see the option called I am a new customer. Simply tap on this option, and the first option right here you'll be able to see is the option called open a new account. Apart from this, you can see other services that you can go ahead and look into as well, but in terms of opening accounts, just head over to the first option. Now, in the next step, what you need to do is first of all add in your phone number, and once you do add in your phone number, a OTP will be sent in. Now, in order to complete the registration of the online banking account or opening an account online, you just need to scan the QR code of your physical card if prompted, and then take clear photos of both sides of either your citizen ID or your passport, and complete a live face scan, which is a selfie verification. Once you complete this process, your account of VPBank online banking account should be easily created. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.